Hi friends, Namaskar. Yes, for many of you, I'm new. I'm new. This is a new phase for you, I know. So let me brief little bit about me, myself. I'm Suparna Das Gupta. I'm a travel agent. My travel agency name is The Travel Cube. I'm based in Bangalore, India. So why I am here? Being a travel agent, one of my niche, my expertise is on wellness tourism, wellness program. So I thought state wise in each day one state I'll bring my idea, my niche, my expertise and will brief you so that you will also get the updation. So if you need any assistance related to this, if you have some queries, some questions for any other state or for Uttarakhand, I'll start from Uttarakhand. So any state, if you have any query, any assistance required, you definitely can contact me. So for that you can subscribe my channel so that you will get, whenever I will put my video, you will get the updation. So let me start with Uttarakhand, which is very popular for wellness programs, wellness tourism. Before that, what is wellness program? What is wellness tourism? My dear friends, this is a new word, English word, modern word, right? But the same, our Ayurveda, which is present in India from our ancient period. We all know what is Ayurveda, right? Wellness tourism is nothing but Ayurveda only. So what happened when Britishers were ruling on us, India or any other country? What they did, they brought their allopathy treatment into picture and forced by default for any health issues, any problems, people have to take their allopathy treatment. So by forcing, keep on doing, we got the habit actually, and gradually we forgot our own method, our own trained wellness, our Ayurveda treatments. So allopathy treatment is, yes, easy to access, cheaper as compared to any other, cheaper, fast recovery, which is very important these days because people don't have time, they don't want to wait actually. So fast recovery is very important, which allopathy used to give, and easy to access because allopathy is so popular now. It's available, all the doctors, clinic, hospitals is available each and every place. So very common. Even I also feel the same. Even I also running towards allopathy hospital, allopathy doctors only. So but what happened? Even Britishers also knew that with this allopathy treatment, that health issue, health problem will cure. Very fast recovery they will get. But with that, due to medicine side effect, some other problem used to come. For example, acidity. Very common problem these days. But if we go for Ayurveda treatment, if we take our wellness program, there is no side effect. Why? Because what happened, wellness program is what? Wellness program is a combination of meals, sattvic meals, or you can say pure veg meal, right? Pure veg meal. With that, these doctors or consultants suggest some yoga, meditation. They suggest for trekking, light trekking, small trekking, or hiking. They suggest for music, listen to the music so that mind will be fresh. And with fresh mind, with all these exercise, with the combination, treatment will start and gradually person will be cured. Person will be cured means 100% cure. There will not be any side effect because the medicines what they give, what they suggest, that is pure natural herbs, which is available in India, many states, right? And now because people are aware, people are educated, they know the worth of this Ayurveda treatment, they are taking now. What we are doing yoga, we are doing meditation, we know the benefits, right? Why? Because they give the benefits and there is no harm to do this. That's why people are keep on doing, people are keep on doing for their well-being. So in Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Rishikesh are really popular for these kind of treatments. any chronic disease like cancer, deadly disease, you know, right? People are afraid of that from the name itself. So cancer type of disease, obesity, Alzheimer, asthma, and you take this stroke, any heart or lung disease, any kind of chronic disease can give the total cure from this Ayurveda, from this wellness programs. If anyone have any such kind of issues and they go for wellness program, they will cure. Means Ayurveda is giving the miracle results. I'm telling you, miracle results, and people are aware of that, and they are taking. You know, in Western countries, USA, Canada, Australia, Europe, people know the worth of this treatment. They keep on coming. Not only for treatment, people nowadays, due to stress, due to anxiety, due to this lockdown situations, many issues, health issues are coming. So not only treatment, just to rejuvenate yourself, people taking this wellness program. These days very commonly taken by people two things. One is pain management and other one is Ayurveda rejuvenation and immunity booster programs. Yes, you know, immunity booster, immunity is means how important these days. So post pandemic, you don't need to worry about hygiene, because these kind of resorts who are giving such treatments, they are taking utmost care. You can trust on me. Or if you want, if you are nearby, you can visit there. You can once visit there, meet them, talk to them.